Then I have to give the class name. Then I will give the class name as form objects. In this class name, there are two words, form objects. When we write it in a natural way, it has two words. To represent these two words, in Java, you can't leave spaces between words of the class name. To represent these two words, I will use capitalization of the words. Right, first character F is capital, then object's first character is capital. After that, click finish. Right, then you can see this form objects class with the .java extension. If the .java extension is there, then it is the class created by the NetBeans. Then don't confuse this with the class file, right? Anyway, this is the form objects class. Then we have that. After that, we have to add the controls to the swing form. Then as the first control, I will add the combo box, right? J combo box. That is available under the swing controls. Then you can select this swing control by clicking on it and drag it onto your form. Right? Then if I want to show the functionality of this control, therefore I will save the form and run it. You can see this combo box is appearing in this manner. There's a drop down arrow at the right end. When I click on this, you can see the available items. These are the default items. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. Right? Then we have to make editings for these default items in the combo box. Right? Then there are 21 students, 20 students logged in anyway. If you get delayed in logging, then there will be a problem, right? Because these not like writing standalone programs. This swing part is each and every item is connected to each other, right? Anyway, now the time is 1:23 according to the clock of the computer. Therefore, we will continue, right? As the next task, now you can see this control J combo box default name is given as J combo box 1. Then I am going to change its variable name. If I want to change its variable name, then what do I have to do is select the control, then right click on it, then select change variable name. Then this dialog box appears. There I will give the name as combo 1. combo 1. Right, then in the navigation panel, you can see that the newly assigned variable name is taken by the combo box. Now its name is combo 1. Then I will bring another control, that is a button, J button. Select on that, click and drag it onto your phone. Right, we'll place it here. Then I will change the text of the button. Say get combo box item. Get combo item. Then I have to change its variable name. Right click, select change variable name. And this time I will use the prefix as btn. btn combo box item. Combo box item. Then enter. Right. After that, sorry, I have to rename this. Right. Change combo box btn combo box. Right. We'll say btn combo box. Then after that, I will add a text field. Then I will delete the existing default text. J text field 1, delete that. After deleting that, I have to resize this. Then change the variable name of the text field. Say txt combo box item. Right. I think now better to take down this interface right at this moment, and please label the controls. Right, these are swing controls. On the screen you can see this. You can put an arrow and say this is combo 1. Right, then this is a J button. Its text is get combo item. Its variable name is btn combo box. Then there's a text field and label. Put an arrow and label it as txt combo box item. Please do it just now. Otherwise, it won't be. It is useless, right? Writing only the programs. Please do it yourself, draw the interface. For the time being, we have only these things. You can draw it up to with some in a big size, not in a very large size, but use a big size. Then place all these three controls and label those with the variable names. Right, I think now you have finished drawing the interface and labeling the controls using it, their variable names. Then I am going to do the editing for the combo box. Then select that. When I click on it, you can see there's a property called model. These are the properties of the combo box. Right, there's a property called model. And you can see that item 1, item 2, item 3 is stored there. Earlier I have shown you these things. There's a small button with 3 dots. Click on this small button in front of the model. Then this dialog box appears. There you have to enter your items. Then I can delete these items one by one, or else I will select that and enter the new item. First one is C sharp, and second one is Java. Third one is PHP. Then fourth one is Visual Basic.NET. Then click OK. Right now you can see the combo box first item is now appearing as C sharp. Right? Then now can you see the screen? Please tell me if you can't see the NetBeans screen. Anyway, can you see it or not?
Hello, NetBean එක පේනවා madam.
All right, okay. Right, we can continue. Right? Then I will save the string form. After that, we have to start the codings. Now, actually, what I am going to do is the combo box control is having some items stored in it. Then the user should be able to select an item from the combo box. And when the user clicks after selecting that item, when the user clicks this get combo item, the selected item should move onto the text field. That is the requirement. Right? For that purpose, we have to we have to provide the codings for that purpose. Then to go to this combo box, for that purpose, I have to code this button, right? To go to the code editor, I will double click on the J button control. Then it will direct me to the code editor where I will enter the code. Right. Then though these items are appearing in text form, in the internal part, those are represented using numerals. Therefore, we have to do some casting. For that purpose, I will add the first coding line. Then I will say string item text. Assign. For the casting, I will use string. This is combo 1. That is the variable name given for the combo box. Then put dot. Yes, a problem, right? Anyway, we'll enter the code. I will check it from the design. Actually, this is there's a small problem, right? CMBU, there's a small problem, right? I have to use this simple C. In NetBeans, if there's a mistake, you can quickly identify because once you press the dot, if it doesn't opens up the pop-up menu, then there's a problem, right? Combo 1. Again, we'll go to design view and check combo 1. Then select get selected item. Get selected item. second item and put a semicolon. Then we have set up a string variable called item text. Then after the equal sign, we use the get selected item method of the combo box. Its name is combo 1. Then we have done the casting with the string variable type between round brackets. Then this goes intermediately before the object or value which we are trying to cast. Then it means converting from one variable type to another. Casting is always converting one variable type to another. Then to display the selected item in the text field, you have to set the text for the text field. Right? For that purpose, I will add this next coding line. Then say txt combo box item. Not set text. Then it will take the item text. Right, after that, after entering these two lines, save the program. Then go to design view. Nothing has happened. Then you can run this. Right? To run this, you can use this shortcut run project. Now you can see this form. Then I will select Java. Then click on combo item. Then text field will get the selected item. Right?
Hello madam.
Yes.
Madam මේ අපිට මේ view එක පේන්නේ නැහනේ. run කරාට පස්සේ එන answer එක පේන්නේ නැහැ.
Then how to show this? Again, I will share the thing. Now, can you see this?
දැන් පේනවා madam. Thank you.
Then I can select this. Then click get combo item. Right? Then it will get the selected item. Right? That's how it works. Then already you have drawn the design. Then you have to write the program. Right? Then actually it's very difficult to right. Then I will share the NetBeans again. I think now you can't see anything. Right, now the NetBeans is shared with you. Then I will go to the source. Right, please take down this two coding lines. Actually, you can see this BTN combo box action performed, right? Then please take down these coding lines. Right, I think now you have finished taking down these coding lines. Only 2 lines you have to take down, not only 2, because when it comes to code editing, it's 2, but when you are taking down, you have to take down these 3 lines, right? BTN combo box action performed should be there. Otherwise, you won't be able to identify where to enter these two lines. Then again, I will move on to the design view. This time I am going to add the checkboxes. Right, then I am going to use checkboxes for the items which I have used with the combo box. Then I will add a panel for this I will bring a panel onto this form. Then I can place all the checkboxes there. Then I can increase size. Right, this is a panel, right? Panel you can, right, remember that panel is a swing container. Then rest of the controls which are on the form are swing controls. These things are important, right? Then I will bring a checkbox control onto the panel. Right, then I am going to change its text, right? Then I will use C sharp. Then I will bring another checkbox onto the panel. This time it will be according to my memory Java, right? Then change the text to Java. Then again bring another checkbox. You can use edit text here. Then say PHP. Then I'll bring another checkbox onto the panel. This is Visual Basic.NET. Right? All these things are on the form, right? Then save the form. Then I will stop sharing the screen, right? Anyway, I have to run this then. Then I made a mistake, right? Then again, I will share the screen. I think now you will be able to see this. This is its appearance, right? There are 4 check boxes, but these check boxes are representing the same items which I have stored in the combo box. No harm of doing that. Then its appearance is in this manner. I have placed all these check boxes in the panel, right? But panel is invisible, but in the design view, you can see the panel, right? Then again, I will stop sharing the screen. Anyway, conducting this thing in the sessions is not an easy task, right? Right. Then please take down this interface. You can use the same previous interface and include these checkboxes there. After that, actually, no, we'll add the rest of the things as well. After that, you can take down the thing. Then I will bring another button, right? This is the button. Then I will bring onto the form and I will change its text. This time the text is selected items. Right. Please take down, I think a telephone message is coming, right? Please take down this interface. Students, please give me a few seconds, right? Because I have to send an email, right? Please give me a few seconds. I will stop sharing the screen. Yes, sorry for the delay, right? I wanted to send an email immediately. Anyway, then we'll share the NetBeans. Then this is the button, right? Selected items is there.
Recording in progress.
Right, then I will change the button's variable name as BTN checkboxes. This is BTN checkboxes. Right, then after that I will add a text area. This is the text area. To place this text area in front of the button, I will increase the size of the font. This is the text area. Right, then I will change its variable name to TA1. This is TA1. Right. Then first of all, take down this interface immediately. Otherwise, please label these controls. Right. You can see the controls on the left-hand side. Immediately include these controls onto the previously drawn form. Right, okay, then we will do the coding. Then what do I have to do is, now when I run this form, right, again I will stop sharing the screen. First of all, I have to run the form. Then I will stop sharing the screen and share it again, right? Then you will be able to see it. Now you can see that these check boxes can be selected in multiple forms, right? That is the difference. If you want, you can select all. Now, my requirement is when after selecting these check boxes, when I click the selected items button, the selected items should move on to the text area, right? That is the requirement, right? Then again, I will stop sharing the screen. Then share the NetBeans with you. Then we'll write the program, right? Then I have to code the button. Then I will double click on this button. Then it will direct me to the code editor or the source window. Then I will create a string variable called as S1. Then I will use if j checkbox 1. Sorry, there's a mistake. Dot. Then I have to use is selected. Selected. Then say S1 assign S1 plus the simple S1. S1 assign S1 plus, then leave a space plus S1 plus plus j checkbox 1 dot get text. Right. The same manner, I can add the next thing as well. Yeah, why this one is getting highlighted? I have to check that. Right. Then I'll use the same thing. This time J checkbox 2. We have 4 checkboxes, therefore we have to use 4 if conditions. And after that, I can say my text field's name is TA1, text area. Then set text. Set text S1. Right? This is the requirement. Then I will save the program. Then again I move on to design view and run the form. Then I'll share the form. Then I'll select 3. Something wrong. I will stop sharing the screen. Am I bringing the wrong control? I have brought the wrong control, right? I have to bring this text area, right? This should be the text area. But I think now you can see this text area, right? Then I will select an item from here. Then I can move the selected items to the text area, right? C# Java likewise it will add, right? Then anyway, I'll have to make a few change for these codings because one by one we have to add, right? Then share. Anyway, it works, right? Then I will go to the source. Think I'll have to leave the gap key. That is the problem. No, no, that is anyway. Okay. Then get text plus slash n should be there. To move into a new line, we'll have to add the slash in. Then again, I'll say, then run the program. Right, now it adds items line by line. Right, then it works. I think now you have finished taking down the, you have finished drawing the interface. Then please take down this coding. Actually, this is for the BTN checkboxes. Please take down the. Right, I think now you have finished taking down this program. Right, I will stop for today because I have to send an email to the university, right? Always it's causing me unnecessary problems. Anyway, I think please do these two things, and already I have given you an assignment, right? Not the last week, before the last week. Anyway, please try out these things. Though I wanted to finish the discussion of the platform independent programming today itself, because of this internet email sending thing, I will stop the discussion at this moment, right? Please do the practicals. Then I will stop sharing the screen. Then I will end the meeting for all, right? Please do the practicals.